In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Amazon Pay balance. This simple process should only take about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to manage your finances or just curious about your account, following these steps will guide you to easily find the information you need. First, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Amazon.com. Once there, if you're not already signed in, look towards the top right corner for the sign in button, click on it, and you'll be directed to the sign in page where you can enter your login credentials. Begin by typing in your email address or mobile phone number, whatever you use to register your Amazon account. After entering that information, click the continue button. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure you're using the correct password to avoid any hiccups. Once you've entered it, click the sign in button. If all goes well, this should bring you to the main Amazon homepage. Now that you're logged in, if Amazon Pay is available in your country, you might find a direct link to it in the top menu of your homepage. However, if you don't see Amazon Pay listed there, don't worry. There's another easy way to access it. Move your cursor over to Accounts and Lists, which is usually located near the top right of the page. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Your Account. This will take you to a new page filled with various options related to your Amazon experience. Scroll down until you see a section labeled Other Programs. Within this section, you should find a link to Amazon Pay. Click on it, which should lead you to the Amazon Pay page. Here, if you have set up an account with Amazon Pay, you will be able to view your Amazon Pay balance. Alongside this, your Amazon Pay later balance, if applicable, will also be displayed. This area is your hub for managing your balances. So take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout and options. By following these steps, you will not only have successfully checked your Amazon Pay balance, but also learned how to navigate the platform efficiently. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on your balances to manage your finances effectively. And remember, periodically reviewing your Amazon Pay account can help avoid any unexpected surprises. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more guides and tips on making the most of your online experiences.